Hi, my name is Isabella, and today I'm going to talk about healthy habits. To talk about this topic, we have to start defining it. A healthy habit is any behavior that benefits your physical, mental, and emotional health. It sounds complex and physically demanding to reach such a state, but the point is to repeat good behavior in order to improve your overall life. Here are some tips you can use to build your own healthy life plans. First, eat whatever you want in moderation. Once in a while, a treat won't hurt, but what you have to try is to incorporate ingredients that are natural and organic. Try to eat vegetables the most, pick the ones you like, and once a week eat two things you like, maybe a candy, chocolate bar, or a soda. But as I said, in moderation, this food won't hurt. Okay. Be active. Find a sport or an activity that you would like to do outdoor, like play football, make yoga, go for a walk, whatever suits your routine, but don't be sedentary. Be happy. Mental health plays a key part in our overall health. Go out with friends, spend time with the people you love, break the routine, or just do something that you enjoy. And finally, being happy is not about what you buy or how much you have. Being happy is about loving every day as if it was the last one. Thank you.